Hi, welcome to BrushMyQuant channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how to find last two digits of numbers which are ending with 2, 4, 6, and 8. So let's start by learning how to find last two digits of numbers ending with 2 first. So let's try this problem. Find last two digits of 2 raised to 4274. Now we know that 2 raised to 10 is equal to 1024 and has last two digits as 24. Now, in order to find last two digits of numbers which are powers of 2, we need to express the number in terms of 2 raised to 10 in order to use this method. So 24, which are the last two digits of 2 raised to 10. So 24 raised to an odd power will always give you last two digits as 24 itself. And 24 raised to an even power will always give you last two digits as 76. And if you have questions which are involving exponents of exponents, then 76 raised to any positive integer will always give you the last two digits as 76 itself. Now let's understand how we can apply this concepts in 2 raised to 4274. So 2 raised to 4274 can be written as 2 raised to 4270 plus 4. This becomes 2 raised to 10 multiplied by 427 multiplied by 2 raised to 4. So this is 2 raised to 10 raised to 427 multiplied by 16. Now 2 raised to 10 is 1024 raised to 427 multiplied by 16. Now this is 24 raised to an odd power. That means we can use this method to have the last two digits as 24. And 24 multiplied by 16 will give us the last two digits as 84. So the last two digits of this number will be 84. If you are looking for more examples on powers of 2, do check out the video whose link is provided in the description of this video, where I teach you about more examples in a lot of detail. Now let's see how we can find last two digits of numbers ending with 4. So find last two digits of 4 raised to 501. So we'll use similar concept here, where we'll try to convert 4 into 2. So we can write this as 2 square raised to 501. And this becomes 2 raised to 2 into 501, which is 2 raised to 1002. Now this can be written as 2 raised to 1000 plus 2. Now this becomes 2 raised to 10 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 2 square. So this is 2 raised to 10 whole raised to 100 multiplied by 4. This becomes 1024 raised to an even power multiplied by 4. 1024 or 24 raised to an even power will give us the last two digits as 76. So 76 multiplied by 4. So this becomes 304, right? So the last two digits will be 04 in this case. Let's try another problem. So find last two digits of 1684 raised to 8101. Now this problem is a bit different, right? Because we don't just have a 4, but we have numbers before this. So in order to solve this kind of problems, the idea will be to express these numbers either as some number multiplied by 2 or some number multiplied by 4. So if we divide this number by 4, we will get 421 multiplied by 4 raised to 8101. So this becomes 421 raised to 8101 multiplied by 4 raised to 8101. Now, this one involves a concept of finding last two digits of numbers whose unit rate is 1. If you want a detailed video on the same, do check out the description of this video, where I provided a detailed video for this one. But to tell you the concept here, in order to find the last two digits in this case, the unit rate will be 1 itself. And the 10th digit will be the product of 10th digit of the base, which is 2, multiplied by the unit rate of the exponent, which is 1. So 2 multiplied by 1. So last two digits of the first part will be 21. Now let's deal with the second part. We can write this as 2 raised to 2 into 8101. This becomes 2 raised to 16202. This can be written as 2 raised to 16200 plus 2. So 2 raised to 10 multiplied by 1620 multiplied by 2 square, which is 4. This becomes 1024 raised to an even power multiplied by 4. So this again becomes 76 multiplied by 4, and this will be equal to last two digits at 04. So the last two digits will be given by 21 multiplied by 04, or will be equal to 84. So the last two digits of this number will be equal to 84. Now let's learn how to find last two digits of numbers ending with 6. So find last two digits of 6 raised to 321. Now in order to find this, we need to split 6 into 2 and 3. The power of 2 you have already seen before. For power of 3, do check out the video provided in the description of this video, where I teach you how to find last two digits of numbers whose units date is 3. So let's break this so that you can write 2 into 3 raised to 321. Now for 2, we're going to do 2 raised to 10 into 32, which is 320 plus 1 multiplied by, in case of 3, we're going to use the logic that 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. Once we are able to get to 81, our units rate will be 1, and we'll be able to solve that, right? So we're going to write this as 3 raised to 320, which is equal to 4 into 80 plus 1. So this becomes 2 raised to 10, which is 1024 raised to 32 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 multiplied by 3 raised to 4, which is 81 raised to 80 multiplied by 3 raised to 1. Now 24 raised to an even power will give us the last two digits as 76 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, now this is 81 raised to 80, right? So units rate is 1. That means the units rate will be 1 itself. And the tens digit will be the product of the tens digit of the base, which is 8, multiplied by the units digit of the exponent. So 8 into 0 will be 0 multiplied by 3. Now 2 into 3 is 6 multiplied by 1 will be 6. So this is 76 into 6, and this becomes 456, right? So the last two digits will be equal to 56. So the last two digits of this expression will be equal to 56. Let's try another example. So find last two digits of 486 raised to 422. Now this example is a bit different because we have more terms before 6. So let's try to split these numbers so that we are able to split this either something multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, or multiplied by 6. So if we simplify this, we will get 243 multiplied by 2 whole raised to 422. 243 can be written as 3 raised to 5 whole raised to 422 multiplied by 2 raised to 422. So this becomes 3 raised to 5 into 422 multiplied by 2 raised to 420 plus 2. So this can be written as 3 raised to 2110 multiplied by 2 raised to 10 into 42 multiplied by 2 square. Now we need to express this power in terms of product of 4. So we can write this as 3 raised to 2108 plus 2 multiplied by 2 raised to 10 becomes 1024 whole raised to an even number multiplied by 4. So this becomes 3 raised to 4 into 527 multiplied by 3 square, which is 9, multiplied by 1024 raised to an even power, so 76 into 4. Now this 3 raised to 4 becomes 81, so 81 raised to 527 multiplied by 9 into 4 becomes 36 multiplied by 76. Now the units date is 1 raised to some power, so the units date will be 1. Tens digit will be 8 multiplied by 7, so 6. So 61 into, so 36 into 76 will give the last two digits as 36, and 36 into 61 will give the last two digits as 96. So last two digits of this number will be 96 or 96. Now let's see how we can find last two digits of numbers ending with 8. So find last two digits of 8 raised to 201. The concept is similar to the concept for power of 2 and power of 4. So I'll convert this to power of 2. So this becomes 2 cube raised to 201, which is 2 raised to 603. This can be written as 2 raised to 10 into 60 multiplied by 2 cube. So this becomes 1024 raised to 60 multiplied by 8. Now 24 raised to an even power will give us 76 as the last two digits, and this will be equal to 08, right? So the last two digits of this expression will be equal to 08. Let's try another problem. So find last two digits of 1768 raised to 821. Again, this is a big number. So let's try to simplify this to see if we can separate out 2, 4, or 8. So if we divide this by 8, this becomes 221 multiplied by 8 whole raised to 821. So 221 raised to 821 multiplied by 2 raised to 3 into 821. Here we have units data as 1. That means the last two digits will be equal to 1. And the tens digit will be 2 multiplied by 1 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to 2463. So this can be written as 2 raised to 2460 multiplied by 2 cube. So this becomes 2 raised to 10 whole raised to 246 multiplied by 8, 21 multiplied by this. So 24 raised to an even power will be 76. 21 multiplied by 76 multiplied by 8. So this becomes 68 multiplied by 76. So last two digits of 68 multiplied by 76 will be equal to 68 itself. So last two digits of this expression is 68. Now, if you want to learn more concepts about exponents, units digit, or last two digits, do check out all the videos whose links is provided in the. Now, if you want to master the concepts of exponents, units digit, and last two digits, do check out all the videos whose links are provided in the description of this video. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.